Hey guys, it's Kilby here, Saturday afternoon, New York City in Hell's Kitchen. Hell's Kitchen's changed a heck of a lot since I first started coming here many years ago. Back in the old days, it was very Irish, very German, very, very rough part of town. When I started coming here mainly swing dancing. That was probably the mid-90s. I've been coming in for a while, going to clubs like Cache, 1040 Lounge, Swing 46, in Hell's Kitchen and Garment District. And actually, when I first met my wife, I used to bring her into the city to go dancing on the west side. Real quick, easy to the Port Authority, easy to get back to Jersey. And we used to come here a heck of a lot. So a lot of Brazilian restaurants, tons of restaurants in general. Really, really nice places to go to. Neighborhood has changed incredibly over the last couple years. So just working out here. Property Hats New York City team is showing you guys around. A very, very different and changed neighborhood. You can see behind me, skyscrapers. You have Manhattan, Midtown Manhattan, right over there. Quick walk to Central Park. Quick walk to the Theater District. You have Hudson Yards just opened up. High Line, really, really interesting part of town. I still think you can find some value in here. A lot of people don't really think of Hell's Kitchen as a place to move, so I think some of the places are still underpriced. And if you're interested in having some help, I'd love to talk to you. Once again, it's Kilby Browne, the Property Hats New York City team. Take my hat off to you, and have a great day. Bye-bye.